Have you been caught out by the Celtic Tiger? Did you invest all your money in property that is now virtually worthless?
You fucking idiot! You could have been spending all that money on drugs and living a much happier life today. Take that go here.
I'm 32, on the scratcher, living with me ma, and hooked on the gear.
And you couldn't be happier.
Especially now the Tommo's slashing prices.
It's a massive clear now.
Woo! Can you see that as well? I'm off me box.
So don't delay. Get down to Whelan Dealin today. It's an Easter extravaganza. We're slashing prices on all top-selling quality goods. Speed, coke, hash, even heroin.
Tom's gone crazy, so come on down.
With Valium. So don't forget, come on down to Whelan Dealin. And by Dealin, of course, I mean Jimmy Dealin, me soiling partner.
How are you?
Shh.